Then I love their lip colors. 200-300 की range में किसी को चाहिए. They are quite pigmented, as you can see. I did some nice makeup today and wanted to come here. What kind of swatching is this? Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what's in my mail, which basically means that I'm gonna show you all the products that I have been receiving in the PR, like the products that I received from these collaborations. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be all about, and I love seeing such videos, so I thought I would make one and share my honest reviews about these products, and it is not a sponsored video. Without much ado, let's quickly dive in and get started. So I'll start with whatever I get my hands on. Product that I want to show you is from the brand Serene India. You might not have heard about this brand because this was new to me as well. I have received this blackjack eyeshadow palette, and let me show you the colors we have in here. I just created this eye look using this palette and broke one of the color. Loved this eye look. Let me know, how do you guys like it? These are not patchy. The shimmers, I loved the shimmers. Let me swatch a few shades for you guys. What kind of swatching is this? They are quite pigmented, as you can see on my eyes. Love the color theme going here. You get these pop of colors, and then you have neutrals, blacks, browns, shimmers. If it is priced around 2600, 2600 बस तब तक ये palette अच्छी है. Otherwise उससे अगर ऊपर जाता है तो you have better options in the market, तो अब वो देख सकते हैं. This box is from Charmander, so they were supposed to send me quite a few products, but just got 3 products from them. So we have this eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging, beautiful, luxurious, so luxe. Alright, so this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm yet to try it out. Let me quickly swatch the shades for you. I simply loved the packaging. I'm yet to see how the shadows feel on the eyes. Are they patchy or creamy, buttery? Next I have this lipstick, which is a bullet lipstick, I guess. The packaging is beautiful. The shade looks so pretty, and this is something I would wear a lot. I have this lip liner in the same tone. Okay, so I'm probably gonna be creating an eye look using this. This is all I have from Sanfe, and my hands just couldn't hold all these products, but let me keep them aside and talk to you guys one by one. Okay, let me start with their face toner. I have tried it out and I loved it. It's very refreshing and the smell is very good. It's supposed to tighten your pores and rebalance the skin. And we have the sunscreen. It's called the Face Lush Sunscreen with SPF 50. Great for dry skin people. I'm not sure if oily people would like it, क्योंकि अब समझ आ गए हैं and you can feel oily or sticky अगर you know, if you have oily skin. So I don't think this would work for you, but dry skin के लिए you can again definitely check this out. Then I have their face wash, Glow Clay Mask Stick, micellar water. Then I have the eye glow cream, which is for your under eyes. Minimizes puffiness, dark circles and wrinkles. Again, is very refreshing and gives a very cooling effect, so it's good. Then we have Lip Glow Lightening Serum. Now again, I'm not sure about the lightening thing, but yeah, it's very hydrating. It's like a lip oil, but अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा dry lips हैं, so this won't work for you. I have the Hair Maestro Serum, which fights frizz and also smooths hair. Again, haven't tried yet. You have their face cream, which is very good. I've tried this out. It works great as a moisturizer under your makeup. Very hydrating, very nourishing. And I think that's all. Yeah, that's all we have from Sanfe, and they were very kind enough to send me so many products, and in return they didn't ask for much. They just wanted a nice picture with the products, and that's all. So grateful for the work I am doing. So grateful. I just love what I do. Then I have this package from Elana Cosmetics. There's so many new launches, so many new brands. So I have these 3 cream blushes from Elana Cosmetics in the shade Flamingo Pink, Galaxy Plum and Peachy Peach. Okay, so I have tried these out. I have also created a reel using these. Now the problem with these blushes is if you apply too much of the product, then it gets patchy. It blends easily, it's long lasting and everything, but it gets a bit patchy, I feel. Okay, let me swatch the shade Peachy Pink. So this is how it looks. Or जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था तो it looked very pale on me, so I didn't like the color. This looked too dark. So the shade I liked was flamingo pink. Okay, so this is a beautiful shade. Okay, so this is how it looks and it's very pretty. You can wear it under your powder blush to increase the longevity of your blush. Okay, so these are priced at 720 rupees. आप इससे अच्छा कोई भी lip and cheek tint ले सकते हो जो around 300-400 का आता है. I tried the Elana Cosmetics one. They are very good. और Lovers का आप try कर सकते हो. So I think you have better options. Next product that I want to show you is from Mamaearth. It's the Mamaearth Me perfume, which is one of a kind. Which is 100% vegan, made safe, dermatologically tested, made with 100% natural ingredients. And this is what the bottle looks like. And let me tell you that I am very sensitive to all these strong scents. So I like something which is very light and floral, and this is what this perfume is all about. So it has the perfect balance of all the floral, fruity and musky notes. And the best thing about this perfume is it reacts differently with different people's body oils, and it creates a signature scent which is different for everyone. And I think the bottle looks very cute. You can definitely check this out. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कोई strong scent नहीं पसंद है and still you want something जो बहुत ही refreshing सा feel हो, this is perfect for you. तो आप definitely ये check कर सकते हो. And you can always use my discount coupon code for 20% off at mamaearth.in, and you can also download the Mamaearth app for great discounts and offers. So next brand I want to talk about is Mamaearth Cosmetics. Now I have their BB cream, their concealer and lip palette. This brand is very good, very affordable, and they have some really good quality products. So I'm gonna show you the BB cream in the shade Fair. So it says it's a skin perfection color correcting cream. So this is what it looks like. You can definitely try this out. The coverage is very good for a BB cream, and let me apply it here. Okay, so this is the shade Fair. I think they have just named it BB cream. ये बिल्कुल foundation जैसे ही work करता है. So let me swatch it. Oh, all my fingers are dirty, but okay. Alright, so it has some dewiness in here as the coverage is really good. It doesn't get patchy or drying. I think it's a beautiful product and well priced. You should definitely check these products out. In fact, all the products from this brand are amazing. I've heard great things about them. This is what the concealer looks like. The shade name is not mentioned, but I think it's medium. Okay. So again, it covers your dark circles really well, any kind of pigmentation. Good and cheaper than the illegal concealer. So I would recommend you guys to definitely check this out. So this is what the lip palette looks like. So you can mix and create your own shade, whatever shade you like. Also, you can use the shade for your cream contour. Then you have the blush shade, this and this, and ये भी contour के लिए use कर सकते हैं. You can mix in colors and create your own lip color, which is amazing. और इसको आप colorful liner की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. So it's a very versatile palette. You can check this out. The next brand that I want to talk about is Asfa Halal. Again, you get very good quality products at affordable prices. So they reached out to me and I thought, why not? Let's just try some new products. और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then I again collaborated with them because the products are very good. Now they have launched these blushes. I have their compact, which is very good. अगर आपको बहुत मतलब अच्छा 200-300 की रेंज में किसी को चाहिए कॉम्पैक्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है. This is how the blush looks. Okay, so the shade is called Pink Silk, very pigmented, and then you get the compact, which I think I have gifted to someone. Was very good, but again I have so many products that I cannot use all of them, so I like gifting products to people who love me and my work. So those of you who comment a lot on my Instagram posts, so I feel like giving you something. तो मैं आप लोगों को भेज देती हूँ, जिनको मिला उनको पता है. But yeah, जो मुझे feel होता है बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे without saying, without asking, if you guys support me and you know, show love, to my works, and I feel like giving you guys something. So yeah, I've sent some PR packages. I love their lip colors. The bullet lipsticks are very good. Then they have the liquid lipstick, again very good. So this is what the liquid lipsticks look like, and बहुत प्यारे प्यारे शेड्स हैं इनके पास, और बहुत अच्छी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स हैं, बिल्कुल स्मच प्रूफ, ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. Look at this beautiful shade. I love such brownish nude shades. Although this is not nude, but थोड़ा कैरेमल जैसा शेड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Then I have this shade. और बुलेट लिपस्टिक इनकी बहुत अच्छी है. मॉम इज ऑल्सो यूजिंग 2-3 ऑफ देम. बहुत अच्छी है. अगर आपको अपनी मम्मी वगैरह के लिए चाहिए, उनको लिक्विड लिपस्टिक ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं लगती है, मेरी मम्मी को बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती है. सो देन दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल रेड. सो ये बहुत अच्छी हैं. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दीज आउट. हाईली रिकमेंड दीज लिपस्टिक्स एंड ऑल्सो द बुलेट लिपस्टिक. द टेक्सचर इज़ वेरी गुड. ऑल्सो दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड बेलोरा पेरिस. इतनी अच्छी उसकी लिक्विड नहीं बुलेट लिपस्टिक्स है, इतनी अच्छी. अगेन मैंने अपनी मासी को दे दी है, बट वो बहुत अच्छी है. एंड आई कैन नॉट शो यू गाइज, बट द पॉप्सिकल्स आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ रील. आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे चेक कर लो. बहुत प्यारे शेड्स हैं और बहुत अच्छी प्यारी कंसिस्टेंसी है, बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग है लिप्स पे. तो आप वो भी डेफिनेटली चेक कर सकते हो. दो वो थोड़ी सी प्राइसी हैं. आई थिंक दे आर प्राइसी एज कम्पेयर टू द अस्फा हलाल लिपस्टिक्स. आई थिंक वो 600 के अराउंड है, बट very good, very hydrating. तो आप you can definitely check them out. These were some of the packages that I wanted to show you. Although मुझे बहुत सारे packages दिखाने हैं आपको, but maybe हम next part 2 कर लेंगे, तो उसमें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, because I think the video is getting longer and I should just cut it here. So yeah, that's about the video. That was a random what's in my mail video that I wanted to do, because I did some nice makeup today and I wanted to come here on YouTube and shoot this video. Also, I hope you liked it, and let me know if you want to see more such videos. And guys, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And अभी मैं ना पक्का प्लान कर रही हूँ, अभी बहुत हो गया, बट मैं बिल्कुल प्लान कर रही हूँ कि मैं अप्रैल से बहुत अच्छे से प्रॉपरली काम करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम फोकसिंग मोर ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन गेटिंग दीज कोलैब्स, और मतलब एक के बाद एक आई जा रही है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम फोकसिंग मोर देयर. यू नो अप्रैल से डेफिनेटली मैं ये यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट मोर प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम big brands. So I'm very happy and grateful for whatever I have been getting, but I want more and I will work hard for it. And मैं जल्दी से अभी ना मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ. अभी मेरे बहुत सारे I have saved some money from all the work that I have been doing. थोड़े पैसे जमा कर लिए, so I am soon gonna buy a bag, gift myself a bag. But I'm not sure कि मैं लूँगी या नहीं, because when you spend your family's money, तो आपको बहुत you do not think once or twice. But when you have your own money, चाहे थोड़ा हो ज़्यादा हो जो भी हो, but when you have your own money and you know how much you have worked hard for it, उसको बैग के लिए खर्च करने में थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता. ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है उसके लिए खर्च करें. So yeah, that's what I'm contemplating on. But yeah, let's see. If I go and buy a bag, I'll definitely take you guys along. So yeah, that's about today's video. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.